In the late 1950s, as chrome-finished cars surged across suburban streets and television sets began to dominate the living room, designers dreamed of a kitchen that could keep pace with the jet-age optimism of the era. One such vision was the Futuristix Dyson Pulse Oven, unveiled in a 1958 General Electric trade show brochure. Form: the oven was a colossal, egg-shaped pod, its surface a seamless skin of polished aluminum brushed to a soft, pearlescent finish. A glass view panel spanned the front, framed by thin, radial ribs that evoked the spokes of a propeller. The pod rested upon a recessed, built-in platform that pooled a faint, phosphorescent glow, suggesting an internal power source beyond conventional mains electricity. The design emphasized verticality. The pod loomed above the countertop, giving the impression that cooking would finally lift the burden of the stovetop into a graceful, hovering entity. Function: Futuristix marketed the oven as a full-spectrum pulse cooking system. Instead of radiant heat, the device purported to generate controlled bursts of high-frequency electromagnetic pulses, what the brochure called Dyson pulses, that would permutate molecular bonds in food, cooking it uniformly from the inside out in minutes. Integrated into the pod were magnetic levitation trays, each capable of rotating independently, and a vacuum-seal door that opened with a soft pneumatic sigh. A built-in console displayed a cyan-blue digital readout, a novelty in 1958, that allowed the user to select, pulse, bake, steam, or dehydrate with the push of a finger-sized button. Aesthetic: visually, the Dyson Pulse Oven married the clean lines of mid-century modernism with the flamboyance of space-age futurism. Its pastel metallic hue and minimalist detailing resonated with the era's fascination with rockets and atomic energy. The brochure's renderings employed pastel-colored watercolors over a blueprint grid, pairing technical drawings with airy, hand-colored illustrations that showed the oven integrated into a quintessential 1950s kitchen, formica countertops, pastel cabinets, and a glossy chrome dishwasher. Though the technology never materialized, the Dyson Pulse Oven encapsulates the 1950s hope that science could liberate the domestic sphere, turning the mundane act of cooking into a sleek, almost ceremonial experience. Its legacy lives on in modern microwave and convection ovens, reminding us that every true breakthrough begins as a bold, sometimes cartoonish, vision.